Forsyth Tech Community College is not just a place of learning, but really a place of promise. We are here to ensure you get the education you need to be competitive in the local and global economy. We are a catalyst for equitable economic mobility, empowering lives, and transforming communities. Forsyth Tech is home to a variety of different educational opportunities on our 9 different campuses. We have 70 different associate degrees, 75 certificates, and 29 diplomas, as well as 4 college transfer degrees. We also make sure that you have access to a lot of your education online. In fact, 24 programs are entirely online. You may want to work in healthcare. Whether it's nursing, radiography, or one of our 16 health programs, Forsyth Tech offers the most health tech associate degrees in North Carolina. If you're interested in design, we have architecture, digital effects, animation, and many more. Our Transportation Technology Center is home to many automotive pathways, including one of the only Toyota T10 programs in the Southeast. Forsyth Tech is also home to a nationally recognized cybersecurity program endorsed by the Department of Homeland Security and National Security Administration that gives you the skills in a high-demand field. At Forsyth Technical Community College, equity is grounded in a culture of belonging. We are intentionally designing the college experience to ensure that each learner receives what they need to be successful. We also offer free career services such as resume writing and interview skills to develop and promote your career goals. Forsyth Tech is an affordable option whether you're just starting your journey in higher education or coming back for skills to start a second career. We have our Forsyth Tech Cares program that makes sure you get the financial and practical help you need to not only start your education, but finish it. We know you'll find a home here at Forsyth Tech, and we promise to be here not only to help you achieve your goals, but to be a resource for lifelong learning. Forsyth Tech, a place of promise.